Hello guys, welcome to summer vlog number 7 or 8, I'm not quite sure. But today we are going to do Marble Run and going to Pets at Home, that's a pets shop. We have just come back from Chinese dinner. It was really yummy. We didn't go to Pets at Home because we didn't have much. We didn't really do anything today, and we didn't have much time. So we just we went to dinner, and we just came back like 10 minutes ago. So then we thought the vlog was quite short. So then we would test out the drone. So that's what we are doing now. Sorry, it's quite short today. We didn't really. No flies on me. I hope you enjoy the footage of the drone. We're only doing it in the garden. Really nice flowers. Yes, got it. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Sorry I was not that. Sorry I was really short. I'm out of breath. Drone. The bong, the means are running. Pretty calls a pen.